push the shopping cart. I push the shopping cart. Dad carries a basket. Dad carries a basket. Mom buys fresh vegetables. Mom buys fresh vegetables. I pick up some apples. I pick up some apples. She chooses a big watermelon. She chooses a big watermelon. He looks at the price. He looks at the price. The cashier scans the items. The cashier scans the items. We wait in line. We wait in line. I put milk in the cart. I put milk in the cart. He pays with cash. He pays with cash. She pays with a card. She pays with a card. The worker cleans the floor. The worker cleans the floor. A man checks the receipt. A man checks the receipt.
I take a bag. I take a bag. She finds the bread aisle. She finds the bread aisle.
He opens the freezer door. He opens the freezer door. I grab a bottle of juice. I grab a bottle of juice. Mom reads the label. Mom reads the label. Dad compares two products. Dad compares two products. We pack the groceries. We pack the groceries. I walk into the supermarket. I walk into the supermarket. She pulls the shopping cart. She pulls the shopping cart. Dad takes a loaf of bread. Dad takes a loaf of bread. She checks the eggs. She checks the eggs. He puts meat in a bag. He puts meat in a bag. The cashier smiles at us. The cashier smiles at us. We stand in line. We stand in line. I hold the basket. I hold the basket. She buys some noodles. She buys some noodles. He takes a bottle of water. He takes a bottle of water. Mom picks fresh fish. Mom picks fresh fish. Dad looks at the vegetables. Dad looks at the vegetables. I carry the groceries. I carry the groceries. She counts the money. She counts the money. He gives the cashier cash. He gives the cashier cash. I leave the store. I leave the store. I open my wallet. I open my wallet. He checks the shopping list. He checks the shopping list. Mom buys fruit. Mom buys fruit. Dad takes some snacks. Dad takes some snacks. He chooses his favorite juice. He chooses his favorite juice. She reads the price tag. She reads the price tag. He closes the freezer door. He closes the freezer door. She finds the milk section. She finds the milk section. He looks at the bread shelf. He looks at the bread shelf. Mom puts tomatoes in a bag. Mom puts tomatoes in a bag. Dad weighs the fruit. Dad weighs the fruit. I return the cart. I return the cart. She wipes her hands. She wipes her hands. He carries a heavy bag. He carries a heavy bag. We shop together. We shop together. I smile at the cashier. I smile at the cashier. She leaves the supermarket happily. She leaves the supermarket happily. We say thank you. We say thank you.